Welcome back to Growing Craft. Please do subscribe to our channel before we start this video and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out any of our updates. Also do check our website www.growingcraft.com and let's get started. Welcome back to my channel, friends. This side Sonia here from Growing Craft. Thank you so much for joining in. It is because of you guys that I am so excited to work on each and every project. I'm so excited to experiment a lot, and I'm so excited to work with different mediums. And yes, it is because of you guys that I get so much of love and appreciation. So thank you so much. And of course I wanted to do this video because I wanted to show you guys that what I have got. I have been like saving this special moment for a very long time because I just wanted to share this with you all in person, like through my videos. So yeah, today here I am with my ITD collection. Yay! I am literally in cloud 9. So yes, they have sent me a lot of goodies for my YouTube channel, and I absolutely love their rice papers. So it was like, I think couple of years back, I was in one of the design teams and I had got these rice papers of ITD collection. I absolutely loved it. So yeah, I have been following this brand for quite a long time. And they were so generous, so generous and kind to send me a lot of amazing supplies, and I'm super excited to share that with you all. So let's get started. Now, first thing first, what is there inside this packet is a beautiful greeting from them. Isn't it gorgeous and beautiful? I absolutely loved it. So yeah, thank you so much ITD once again for being so generous sponsor for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So yeah, this is a beautiful greeting what I have got. Then this is one of the customized apron what I have got. So it has a nice ITD collection logo, and yeah, this is what it is. And thank you. So yes, definitely I'm going to use this when I'm doing my crafting, and I hope that I'll start messing up my clothes a little lesser now. Okay, now next after this, what we have are the chipboards. These are like one of the best chipboards. If you have seen my earlier mixed media projects, I have used the chipboards on a lot of my mixed media projects. If you guys have not checked that, please do check my channel. And yes, of course, I will be coming up with a lot of tutorial with all these chipboards. Let me just show you the designs here. I love these doors, and in fact I loved everything. I loved all these like beautiful detailing. Just like the moment I got it, I was like, okay, I can do this with this, I can do that with that. So yeah, a lot of things what you can experiment with these. So yeah, these are the chipboards what I have got. Now yes, I have tried the stencils too earlier, and this time they have sent me some more beautiful designs, and they look absolutely, I think they know me. I think they have literally read my mind that I love these kind of shapes, and this is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, what a beautiful pattern it is. And I'm just like, even while showing you guys, I can just having these thoughts that I can do this project with this, that project. So yeah, of course I'm coming up with a lot of tutorials now. Now these are foils for crafting. So this is a rainbow, this is silver, this is pistachio. Oh, the colors are just absolutely amazing. This is rosy, this is rosy gold, and this is gold. Wow, I absolutely love using my foil work on my projects. I have played with them a lot initially, and yes, it will be so exciting to work with these foils again. So yes, I'm super excited. Now the breathtaking thing is these mini rice papers. So let me just unpack one pack and show you guys what all designs they have in a pack. Now these are of size I think 6 inches by 14.8 by 14.8 centimeters. and in a pack they have these six different designs. So yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. You will not see these kind of designs anywhere. So yeah, that is the reason I love ITD papers, because like they have some of the amazing collections of rice paper which you do not find anywhere. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it pretty? So honestly, when I was browsing through their website, there was not a single piece of the designs of rice paper which I could say, acha ye nahi pasand aaya, or this is not that great. No, there was not a single design. I absolutely loved all the designs, whatever they had. So I really love these decoupage rice papers. So yes, you are going to see a lot of projects coming up for sure, with of course different techniques. So likewise, there is one more. See, isn't it gorgeous? It has all these beautiful designs. I love their floral patterns. They look gorgeous. They look absolutely gorgeous. I will just show you this one also. So their watercoloring patterns are just beautiful. Let me show you. Okay, wow. Just imagine using this on any of your decoupage box or your organizers or your wall art, even for your kitchen art. Wow, they look absolutely beautiful. Just see these designs. Yeah, I know they are so pretty. So yes, I am so overwhelmed by their generosity that they have sent me so much to try my hands on. And yes, I will be doing a lot more videos, of course, for sure, guys. Oh, this is one of my daughter's favorite. Like when I was browsing through their websites, she really wanted to explore all the teddies, and yes, gorgeous one. This is again one of the floral patterns. I absolutely love these red and the borders. They look gorgeous. Now these are the one which I have chosen. Okay, let me just show you. So rice papers are one of the best mediums when you are doing your decoupage art. Like absolutely, decoupage papers, decoupage tissues and rice papers, they are just amazing. So this is one of my favorite designs which I had picked up. I absolutely loved it. So in a one sheet of paper, they have so many designs that you can use them on different projects. Like just imagine if I'm using this paper, I can actually create 3 different projects with just one sheet of paper. So yeah, they look gorgeous. This is one of my favorite. This is again one of the beautiful collection. I absolutely love these kind of colors. I love bold colors. So yeah, this was something which I couldn't take my eyes off. Yeah, beautiful. Just imagine the kind of work we can do with this design. This is so gorgeous. Now again, see this one. So like I said, when I was browsing through their website, there was not a single design which I could say, oh, I did not like this one. It is impossible. Yeah, just imagine having these designs on your... Let me just show you like this. Yeah, so gorgeous. See these beautiful borders. And again, watercolor designs and the cutie vibes and the complete floral pattern. Yeah, so yes, these are the A4 size. So these are approximately 6 inches by 6 inches rice paper. These are A4 size rice papers. I'll just quickly pack them in the packet back so that I don't ruin them, because I usually prefer to keep all my decoupage papers and the rice papers, and in fact my decoupage papers also in good packaging so that I don't ruin them, because they are so precious to me. Now this pack has some of the very interesting elements from the store. Okay, so what it has is these are crystal clear films. Let me just keep this aside. Can you see the design? Now these are the crystal clear designs what they have. I'll just very quickly browse these so that you guys can see a lot. Now these are translucent scrapbooking paper, rice paper, rice paper and rice paper. Yeah, isn't it gorgeous? So I'm very careful when I'm picking up these things and I'm packaging these things. I just want to keep everything in place properly so that when I use them, there is nothing which has got damaged and I can use them well. So when we say decoupage and mixed media art, it is not a small what do you say? It is not a small piece of art where you just stick the papers and you are done. There is a lot many things what you can do. Just browse to my channel and you will see a lot of techniques what we can use. Now here what I have is the pattern paper. So these are 200 GSM papers and they are absolutely gorgeous. I'll just open one paper pack for you guys because otherwise this video is going to be too long. I don't mind showing you guys everything, but I think it will take a lot of time to show each and every design. Now in each paper pack they have 10 papers. So this is the cover page. Wow. So they are actually very much coordinating. Like, let me just show you. So if you just see this, these are so coordinating. So if I'm making a scrapbook, I can, if I'm decorating a box of that scrapbook, I can use these rice papers and I can decorate it. So this is how very nicely you can just blend in all the designs and create beautiful piece of art. Okay. This is another design. This is a beautiful element sheet what you can do fussy cutting, which I absolutely love when I'm doing my scrapbooking. Gorgeous. These are just so perfect, not even for the scrapbooking but even for your mixed media layouts. Like half of your work is done. It's gorgeous. Trust me, even if you don't want to do anything, you just get these papers framed. Just imagine a framed paper like this. It is going to look gorgeous as a wall frame. So it's going to look beautiful. Yeah. Awesome collection. Like, it is such a beautiful designs and patterns. Now see, you can all these elements in your scrapbooking or even for your fussy cutting, you can use them as tags also and they look super gorgeous. So yeah, this is one of the paper pack what I have shown you. For the rest of the ones, you will have to stay tuned to my channel so that you can see all the designs when I'm making project out of these paper packs. Okay, let me just pack this quickly. Now this is one more paper pack. This is the nostalgia theme. This was the garden theme, Garden of Dreams. This is the nostalgic theme, and this one is the 11 Valley. This is one of my favorite. I absolutely love these greens and blues. So yeah, definitely you are going to see a lot of projects coming up. And yes, I really want to thank ITD Collection for there's so much of love and support, and of course I want to thank all you guys for being on my channel regularly, for being with me always and always supporting me and always encouraging me. And yes, stay tuned to my channel for a lot of videos, and thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Bye bye.